This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. So today is an incredibly special video. This is my birthday nails, y'all. So as some of you know, and some that are new to the channel, Raven, myself, I am a September baby. My birthday is September 13th, and I thought no better way to celebrate my birthday and my birthday week than to do my birthday phalanges. Now, I had to use my favorite company, Madam Glam. Not had to. I wanted to because they're my favorite. And it doesn't make sense to use something that is not your favorite on your birthday, right? So I got out their professional dust brush and I'm just quickly dusting my phalanges after buffing them and making sure that that canvas is smooth, baby. I'm also using their lint-free wipes so that I can ensure any kind of oil on the nail plate or any kind of nasty fuzzies go so that we have the perfect foundation. I can't believe we are already on my second birthday since I started this nail journey. Like, that is just insane to me. It's like pinch me moment. But I just feel so incredibly grateful, and the biggest gift has been the love and support that I have received from this beautiful nail family and from you. Yes, you, because you're a part of the nail family. So, Madam Glam recently, as you guys saw, came out with a brand new collection that was actually curated, crafted, and manufactured in Korea. So, as soon as I swatched these colors, Moondust was my standing ovation, and I really wanted to make sure that I did my nails like the base with them. I had this whole idea because I thought actually Beetlejuice 2 was coming out this year because it said September 6th, but it's actually not till 2024. So I was even thinking about like hand painting the sandworm with the glitter background, and then also with all of the spooky season, like I was kind of shopping, like playing around with the idea of doing like the skeleton fingers. There were so many like spooky ideas I was having, and the moment I put this color down, I couldn't do anything else. I was so mystified, and you guys are going to see I'm going to build this up. I'm going to use 3 thin coats, but I was so impressed. Like, first of all, this is one of my favorite glitter formulas I've ever played with. Like, this is like my favorite formula. Madam Glam really went all out with this, and just the fact you can tell the ingredients that they used, like the Korean manufacturers, like it is just insane. I've never had the pleasure of trying a Korean gel, and I'm obsessed. I gotta find a friend that knows the language because I want to do some shopping. In the beginning of my nail journey, I actually went onto this amazing Korean nail art page, and they had like temperature changing chromes and all of these like insanely cool revolutionary products, but I couldn't navigate the page because there was no English option. So I definitely gotta just send out a cast a net to the nail sisters, find out who is fluent in Korean, and ask if they can help a sister out, because after trying this gel formula, like I really want to try more Korean gels. I was so also impressed because Madam Glam made sure to reiterate that no quality, like nothing was compromised with them making it elsewhere. Because again, when you fall in love with a formula and everything else, and then find out that they're making it somewhere else, a little ping does, like, you get scared. You're like, especially for me with allergies, I'm like, is this gel going to be okay? But because it upheld with all of their standards, there was not one issue. Like, I'm happy to say I'm on like day 2 of this manicure, almost day 3, and I would have already known if I had any form of allergic reaction. Like, when I experienced it was 2 years ago. I just got the memories. My birthday 2 years ago, the company I was working with, I had a horrible reaction with their products, like horrible. And again, there's other people that have not had that experience, so talking, anything bad, but this was my experience. And it was with a polygel. And that's how I discovered that I had developed an allergy to acrylic, which is so sad because I was actually able to, in the salons, I didn't realize they were definitely using MMA on me. But I also realized that they were telling me they were using gel, solar gel, but I kept asking them because like I'm a research baby, right? So even before I ever started doing nails myself, I did a lot of research on just everything. The products, innovation, like I was the one going in asking for chrome and all of the things. But upon, learning so much, especially over the last 2 years, like I know they were using acrylic on me, but I was not having any allergic reactions, like not to the dust, not to anything. But when I used this polygel, I don't know what woke up inside of me because I made sure like nothing was cured onto my skin. And I had been using polygel for like a good couple months and I had no issues. And I did a set and it was my birthday set 2 years ago. And oh my gosh, my fingertips were basically like the skin was falling off. And I still have a red area underneath my left ring finger, like the fingertip where all of that skin is like new growth. And it still is like prone to like if I soak my hands for it to hive and stuff like that, just because the skin is so tender. But I'm sorry I went on this whole tangent, but I was just like, I was so terrified when that happened. And like for your birthday, the fact that like I wasn't able to use any products, I believe it was like for longer than 60 days. It was like really awful. So Madam Glam has definitely allowed me to get like my power back in the sense like I can change my nails more frequently. I can use all of their products without fear of having like this horrible allergic reaction, because working scared, it's not it. You're not going to create anything of, of worth when you're scared. And if you're thinking like, is this going to have a reaction? You can't be creative. You can't let that flow, because you're scared. So I was incredibly, incredibly impressed with this formula and the fact that my phalanges ate it up. There was no allergies in the house. I am so tickled pink for my birthday. I'm tickled blue. I'm tickled the rainbow. I really love this Moondust. And again, as I was saying, I was going to do a whole character art and I couldn't bring myself to do that only because it was so gorgeous. And on my other hand, I had did cat eye chrome, like an iridescent chrome, and then scream stickers. And that was supposed to be like my right hand birthday set. And I even had to take that off after I filmed this because I needed my nails to match. I wanted it's the nail tech drama, right? We always have nails that, because content, right? Everything is content. Everything is content. Don't forget to film it. Don't forget to film it. So I was kind of battling in my mind because I was so madly in love with this. And I thought, I am definitely going to just buzz off my nails again, aren't I? For like the third time this week. Because I did a stone set with the House of Nourish, which I loved. But then I wanted that like cat eye chrome crystal ball nails. So I did those. And then I put this on my other hand and fell so madly in love that I had to take my darn set off. So the set that you see on my right hand, she's not going to last for very long. By the end of this video, both of my phalanges are going to be covered in Moondust. But this is going to actually premiere on my birthday. So September 13th, 1990. I'm a 90s baby. This is my 33rd birthday. And I actually had my dirty 30 during COVID. So just to even, be in a new home, to be in British Columbia, like there is so many blessings. I get to look out my window and see mountains and see the ocean and just feel like the overwhelming blessing of it all, And I can't thank you guys enough. I know that this is kind of all over the place, but I'm so excited and I just feel so blessed, and I'm actually getting teary-eyed. I'm going to try my best not to cry because that's not going to sound good via voiceover. But I feel very blessed and I'm incredibly grateful for you guys. And every time you guys come into a video, your love and support, you share, just, I have no words. It's the best birthday present I could have ever gotten. And it doesn't just happen on my birthday. You guys give me this love throughout the year, every day. And I can't reiterate it enough how blessed I feel. And I am wiping away tears, but I'm trying to keep my voice from shaking. I just, thank you for making my birthday so incredibly special. And I hope that this is not a boring video for you guys, because generally I would be doing all of the character art or nail art, but I couldn't bear to cover these up at all. And I'm not one for gold. I find that I have like a yellow tone in my skin, so generally I stay away from yellow golds. But this color, this gel polish has so much dimension, and when the light hits it, it's like some of the glitters feel reflective, and there's also glitters of varying sizes, so it just adds this dimension, and there's this gold flake, and it's literally celebration in a bottle. So Madam Glam, for House of Change, you've changed my heart, You guys, I constantly do love letters because, as I was saying earlier, I did go through a really horrible spout with my allergies. And again, Madam Glam gave me that power back. So I am so happy to say for my 33rd birthday, I have Madam Glam on my phalanges. And I am just loving this birthday set. So now that I have fully painted this, I was going to go right in with the cuticle oil. And their cuticle oil stick is my favorite cuticle oil they have. Like, I love all of their oil is nourishing. But this one is lime, basil, and mandarin scent. It just smells like rich bish. It is all of the fancy. So beautiful, nailed by Envy. And the Charm Sisters were all in on this beautiful surprise. Envy sent this out to me, and I bawled my eyes out for my birthday. This is a mermaid tail and some pearls. And there's also a necklace that has Jack and Sally, because they know I'm nightmare obsessed. And Envy knows how obsessed I am. And they kept this huge secret. And I'm just so overwhelmed. Again, like, just the love and support. There's no better gift. It's priceless. So I had to take out my birthday jewelry so that I could do the photo shoot realness and just show you guys how stunning, drop dead stunning, the new House of Change colors are, and especially this Moondust. So this is the beautiful necklace I was mentioning. I'm going to be wearing it all day today and just smiling, because I definitely feel like all of the Merzillion bucks. And now that I think about it, I think I've had 3 birthdays now. I guess it just depends on like how everything fell in May when I first started my nail journey. But like this May coming up will be 3 years, and I just did the maths, and yeah, this is the 3rd birthday since I started doing nails. So I'm so blown away. And even just looking at my nail studio and how everything has grown, and just everything that being in such a supportive community has fostered, I just feel incredibly blessed. So we are going in, y'all, with my favorite cuticle stick. And you can see I'm wearing the gorgeous ring that was sent by Envy. The purple charm sister, my purple charm sister. And I feel so incredibly grateful. And the charm sisters definitely had a hand in that necklace. But I'm so sorry. So I have to definitely apologize, because I do know that this has been all over the place, but it's because there's so much love and joy pouring out of my heart. It's like my brain just can't compute. And also, this polish made me stupid. Like, everything I've learned, it just all went out the window, and I was like, I can't even paint on this. Everything has ceased to function. I definitely went to another world with this Moondust. And I hope you love it. And again, these are limited edition gels. So if you guys do love it, run on over to madamglam.com and get yourself some of the House of Change. We do have the sister codes so that you guys can save that coin. But this personally has been one of my favorite launches. And not just because it's my birthday month. I really think that this collection it's unique. It's very special and it was made with a lot of love. So much so that even though I did my nails 2 days ago, I had to take off the other hand just so we could have a matchy match. And even in different lighting, I know that the quality, as soon as I turned off that light, went down. But I just wanted to show you how the gold refracts, even with minimal light. This is one of the most beautiful polishes I have ever tried. And I'm so happy that my 33rd birthday, I get to dance around with Moondust. And my beautiful nail sisters and brothers. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. There's going to be so much more magic with this House of Change because I wasn't able to do all the nail art I wanted. But there's something so beautiful about a polish that is so outstanding that you don't want to do anything else. Like, it's just perfect. Thank you again. I pray wherever in the world this video found you, it found you so well. And thank you, Madam Glam, for sending these polishes out. And I can't wait to see my beautiful family in the next video. Mwah. And remember, do all things with love. See you in the next one.